We're diving into the realm of privacy and exploring how to turn off location services on your iPhone. Whether you're concerned about unwanted tracking or simply want to regain control over your digital footprint, this video will show your location privacy settings. If you're an iPhone user who wants to ensure their location data is protected and used responsibly, then this video is for you. We'll walk you through the different ways to disable location services on your iPhone, cover app-specific location permissions, and delve into the hidden settings that provide even greater control over your digital privacy. Why should you turn off your location on your iPhone? Location data can reveal sensitive information about your movements, habits, and even your home address. By managing your location settings, you can prevent unwanted tracking and maintain control over your personal information. Disabling location services for certain apps can reduce the risk of being targeted by scams, phishing attempts, or physical threats. Turning off location services when not needed can significantly extend your iPhone's battery life. How can we do that? On your iPhone's home screen, locate and tap on the Settings app icon, which resembles a gear. Scroll down the list of settings categories and tap on Privacy and Security to access privacy-related settings. Under the Privacy settings, tap on Location Services to manage your location settings. At the top of the Location Services page, you'll see a toggle for Location Services. Slide the toggle to the left to disable location services completely. If you do not wish to completely disable location services, then you can set this option for every app you use. If the location service is enabled, then under the Location Services page, you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your location. Tap on an app to review its location permissions. You can choose from 3 options. Always, while using the app, or never. Select the option that best suits your needs for each app. Always permission. This allows the app to access your location even when you're not actively using it. Use this option cautiously only for apps that require constant location updates, such as navigation apps. While using the app permission, this allows the app to access your location only when you're actively using it. This is a good option for most apps that need to use your location for their core functionality. Never permission. This prevents the app from accessing your location entirely. Use this option for apps that don't need your location data to function properly. So there you have it. Now you're a master of location privacy settings on your iPhone. Remember to carefully review app permissions and explore advanced privacy settings to take full control of your digital footprint. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.